going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder 850 Club Credit. Listen, I'm super excited to share with you guys about our new 850 Club software. For those who don't know, you can go ahead and create your free account today. And if you want to, you can upgrade your account, upload your credit report, tell the software what your credit goal is, whether you're looking to buy a home, buy a car, lower your car payment. No matter what that goal is, it will give you a customized game plan based on your current credit score and your credit report. That's not it. You also get access to all of our courses at no additional charge. That includes our business credit course. The same exact course that we used to charge thousands of dollars for back in the day is now part of this plan. All right. And you also get how to buy, of course, how to buy a home, how to buy rental property, and of course, how to buy a car as well too. So either way, I'm not gonna hold you up. I know you're gonna watch the video. We'll see you in the new 850 Club software. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. I wanted to let you guys know we do have a free masterclass coming up this week, and we're actually going to be discussing how you can become a landlord. Okay. Of course, we all know that we can pay rent, but it's nothing like collecting rent. Okay. And so we're going to show you guys how to qualify for a residential rental property, how to qualify for a commercial rental property, how to look and keep tenants, how to look for tenants and how to keep them as well. And a couple of other things as well too. And we'll also have a Q&A at the end. As we know, real estate investing has been one of the top 5 ways to invest in general. A lot of people like the stock market and things of that sort. And there's nothing wrong with that, but you most definitely want to consider having rental properties inside of your portfolio. Now, if you are not looking necessarily to invest in a property directly, either due to low funds, or you may not necessarily be in a state where the numbers kind of work out. Like, California, New York, numbers just don't work out, right? But at the same time, you may be looking to invest in a different state, but you may not necessarily want to buy the actual property. I think a great way to kind of get started is to work with a company like Fundrise, okay? There's a lot of companies, similar to Fundrise, but Fundrise is one of the few companies where you can actually invest in a real estate portfolio. So they treat it kind of like the stock system as far as stock investing goes. But I would strongly suggest you look deeper into it to see if that's something that you want to go with. I know one of our clients had mentioned this, that they've been actually having a portfolio with Fundrise. And of course, it looks pretty good. And so saying that to say, because you can actually choose to invest in a different state that you may not necessarily be in. And just like the returns work on the stock, the same thing will work, with real estate assets as well. So if there's rental income coming in like it should, if things are performing as they should, and of course you can obviously, kind of mix and match certain things. You can see what's working well, what's not working well. But I would at least take a look for sure, especially if you guys are really considering, investing into real estate. So if you guys are, just want to learn information, and even if you're not ready to invest now, but you at least want to get the information, we'll most definitely recommend that you get registered for that free masterclass. Obviously, you're going to have the tools you need to invest later down the line. But if you, again, are looking to invest in different areas without having to put 20% down, 10% down, things of that, so you just kind of want to get your feet wet, Fundrise will be a great way to start doing that. And you can actually do everything from your phone. I'll put the application down at the bottom, just another option, because again, some people think that getting into real estate investing is just going to take, a lot of money, and which it could, right? Because if you're looking at 20% down or 10% down, or if you're looking to, probably split that cost with someone else, you can most definitely do that. But again, just getting the information, or even starting on a smaller scale, like opening up a Fundrise account, that most definitely would help you as well too. But no matter where you are, again, you still get the information, okay? And of course, we'll see you guys on the masterclass. And here's the thing, tell a friend as well too, all right? So if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.